Hello and welcome to the Haven Crochet and Craft Learn to Crochet series. In this video we are going to be talking about how to finish off or fasten off in crochet. So I have a piece here that is just a small single crochet swatch, and I would like to go ahead and finish it off so I can cut it up away from my yarn ball and move on with it. So what I will do, I'm going to go ahead and finish this very last stitch here of single crochet to finish off my row. And now all I have to do is take my scissors and just leave about a 6-inch tail for weaving in those ends. And all you do, it's very simple, you just take that yarn and just pull it through that loop and pull it all the way through. And there you have your finished piece. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to weave in these ends, because you do not want to just cut it off at the base and it'll end up just fraying the yarn and it will look very messy and unfinished. So stay tuned for the next video and I'll teach you how to weave in your ends so they won't ever come out again. And feel free to click like and subscribe for more of these videos.